Hey Insulators, we are with Attic Queen here outside of Tampa, Florida. She has purchased a CoolVac Diesel 25, some other items too. She's been a cool family member for a while. We've been here a few times and worked with her on site and this morning as well.
Definitely love the relationship that we have. I refer to you guys, you and Suzanne, as my work parents. From the beginning, I just remember when I was vocalizing that I was ready to get a bigger vacuum, and I had a company that was putting together a vacuum that I thought didn't exist, but I had Suzanne slide into the DM and she's like, oh, we have that already. And then I think you sent me pictures of a vacuum in Attic Queen Green. What I love the most is that Insulation Machines, Barry, Suzanne, they learned who I was as a customer. They learned what my needs were. It's kind of weird to see a woman in this type of industry because it's a really hard, rugged, very manly job. From the beginning, they've always gone above and beyond to provide me what I want and what I needed for equipment. 90% of the jobs that we're doing are extraction, so they are hard. So they're able to provide me with equipment that gets us in and out of the attic much quicker, which is safer for my crew and I. I think that's really the spin on words on being on cool time, because if you're in and out of a 160-degree attic or before the heat pitches, that's pretty much cool time to me. But they've been great from the beginning. Not only that, they'll take my phone calls. And if it may not even be a question about any of the equipment, they come from a family, they've had their own family business, their 3 daughters have all worked for their insulation company. They have the experience, and I've only been in the industry for probably a little bit over three years now, I want to say. It's always refreshing when I'm in a situation and I'm like, oh, what would Barry do, right? And I can just pick up the phone and call Barry, and if Barry can't pick up the phone, Suzanne's sliding into the DM or texting me or calling me or picking up. So they're just really all around great people. I always will reach out to them and be like, you haven't been in Florida for a while, why don't you come over here? They have great equipment. It obviously wasn't perfect and we had to work through the kinks and everything, but not once did Barry or Cool Machines ever ghost me. They were always there. Whether it's good, bad, or ugly, they were here, and they're here now, and I love it, and I love them, and that's it. I want to add one thing, though, is that their presence on social media is phenomenal. They travel the country and they service insulation companies, whether that company is brand new or they're an established company. If they've purchased equipment from Insulation Machines, I would hope that they would have, but even if they haven't, I've seen them on site with other companies, helping them out, helping them maintain, teaching them. They put out a lot of really, really great content that I learn from every day, but it's also interesting to see how insulation varies depending on what part of the country that you're in and what type of insulation could be used or what certain processes are and things like that. I feel that you just really give them everything when you're there, and you really do try to leave something with them that they didn't have before you guys got there. I walked in, right, and they had my happy birthday like banner up, fresh baked cinnamon rolls, coffee.
Thank you, Attic Queen. This is fun. We always enjoy coming down here. We used to say we're getting to visit the United States one insulation machine at a time. We've changed that because we're getting to visit one insulator at a time. If
you are in the insulation industry, or if you're looking to get into the insulation industry, you definitely need to contact Insulation Machines, Barry, Suzanne. They will definitely help you out 1000%. I would only hope that you would buy from them, because you're not just getting a piece of equipment, you're getting a relationship, and you're getting a group that has a great product, has great products, and you're getting their support, and to me, it feels like family.